Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about failure of sliding contact bearing. In last video, I discussed about the failure of rolling contact bearing. Sliding contact bearing and rolling contact bearing are the two different types of bearing. Okay, so if you not watch the video on the failure of rolling contact bearing, I put the link of that video in the I button as well as in description box also to check it out. Okay, so start this video. Like in rolling contact bearing, as we see in rolling contact bearing, that the fatigue failure is the main failure of the rolling contact bearing. Okay, but in the sliding contact bearing, fatigue failure is not a main failure. Okay, the failure in the sliding contact bearing is mainly because of insufficient lubricant, contamination of the lubrication, and faulty assembly in the sliding contact bearing. Okay, so these are the some main reason why the sliding contact bearing are going to fail. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the types of failure of sliding contact bearing. Okay, here we have four different types of sliding contact bearing, failure of sliding contact bearing. First one is abrasive wear, second one is wiping of bearing surface, third one is a corrosion, and last one is distortion. So in this video I'm going to discuss each and every failure in details, and also we are going to see the remedies of each types of failure. Okay, so let's go for the first one, that is abrasive wear. As the name is given, that is abrasive wear, the work is similar, means this wear, you can say this type of failure is occur due to the presence of dust material, foreign particles, rust, and or you can say spatters. Okay, so these are some main reason why the abrasive wear are happen in the sliding contact bearing. Okay, abrasive wear means what? This removal of the bearing surface. So what are the remedies for the abrasive wear? Avoid the abrasive wear in the sliding contact bearing. We should make the proper enclosure for, or housing for the sliding contact bearing. Okay. Cleanness of the lubrication oil must be there so that to avoid some foreign particles, dust materials. Okay. Use the high viscosity oil. Okay. Now come to the second one, that is wiping of a bearing surface. What in the wiping of the bearing surface? When the general touches the bearing, the excess rubbing occurs resulting in the melting of the surface of the bearing. Okay, what this means? As we know, they are general in the sliding contact bearing. Okay, so in this image, this is the general of the bearing and this is the whole part. Okay, so if this general touches the bearing surface, so if the bearing in the running operation, then what happen? General touches the bearing surface and continuous touching makes in the heavy rubbing of the surface, and which will going to result in the melting of that surface. How going to melt? Because continuous rubbing, continuous rubbing of the surface increase the frictional heating, and that frictional heating going to melt the surface. And also if the surface is going to melt, the part are going to be weld. Okay, so these are the main reason why the sliding contact are bearing going to be fail. Okay, so this type of failure in the sliding contact bearing, we call it wiping of a bearing surface. Okay, so what are the remedies? Before going to remedies, we have to know also why this phenomena, you can say, or why this process happen, that general touches the bearing surface and increase the frictional heating which going to be melt the surface. Okay, why this excessive rubbing happen? Because we not giving the proper clearance. Okay, we are not giving the proper oil supply. If we not give the proper oil supply in the hydrostatic and hydrodynamic bearing, then what happen? The clearance are going to be reduced, and that small clearance causes the rubbing of the bearing surface. Okay, I also make the video on the hydrostatic and hydrodynamic bearing, so if you not watch it, so I give the link of that video also in the I button as well as in description box. Okay, so check it out. So what are the causes? We are not giving the proper clearance, we are not giving the proper oil supply. So what are the remedies? Keep the factor like clearance and oil supply in control. Okay, so come to the third one, is corrosion. As the name is given, that is corrosion, means the corrosion of a surface causes in the bearing, in the sliding contact bearing, then that types of failure is called as corrosion. Okay, so what happen in this? If there is any reactive agent in the lubricating oil, the corrosion of surface started, which lead in failure of a bearing. Okay, simply. So if there is any reactive agent, it will react with the bearing surface and corrosion start in the bearing. Okay, so what we have to do for avoid this, we use the proper good quality lubrication oil, use the oxidation inhibitors in the lubricating oil, which avoid the corrosion of a bearing surface. Okay, so last one is a distortion. You can say it was the main reason of the failure of sliding contact bearing. What happened in distortion? Misalignment and incorrect types of fit if we use, then bearing are going to be fail. Okay, types of fit. What are the types of fit? That is interference fit, clearance fit, and transient fit. These three types of fit are there. If we choose an incorrect type of fit, or if we do not provide a proper alignment, then what happen? The general of the sliding contact bearing are going to be break. Okay, so what are the remedies? Simply correct selection of the types of bearing and proper assembly. Okay, make the assembly what the condition want, select the type of fit what the condition want when we use the sliding contact bearing. Okay, so this is all about in this video. In this video we discuss about failure of sliding contact bearing and the types of failure of sliding contact bearing. Okay, if I talk the summary of the sliding contact bearing, then the sliding contact bearing are generally occur cause of improper lubrication supply and faulty assembly. These are the two main reasons. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your friends and subscribe this channel for more awesome explanation, and thank you for watching.